Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and you are watching AI with Ashok. In this channel, we will talk and share our knowledge on cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, deep learning and many more to go. If you want to know more about these technologies, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Let's learn together. Okay, from today onwards I am going to start my Numpy playlist. So this is my first tutorial on Numpy playlist, which I am going to start with an introduction on Numpy. So let's go into it. So let's see what Numpy and why we use Numpy. Okay, our first question is, what is Numpy? Numpy stands for numerical Python. Actually it's a abbreviation for numerical Python. Numerical Python means in Numpy. So Numpy is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. So it's provide us the more convenient way to processing image data or audio processing. So it provide us the very convenient data structure for processing those data. So it is very much helpful us in scientific computing and signal analysis for doing Fourier transform. So those kind of operation Numpy helps us to do very convenient data structure. So Numpy provides us a multi-dimensional array. Actually Numpy is an ND array object. It has an n-dimensional array. So we can process those data with like tensors. So tensors means it can have any dimensions. So tensor with rank 0 can represented as scalar, tensor with rank 1 represented as vector, tensor with rank 2 represented as matrix. So it goes on within multi dimensions. So Numpy provides us to manipulate those data with the tensors, and it allows us to perform operations such as mathematical, logical operations, shape manipulation like transposing and computing, and then we can do sorting, selection, IO operation when we deal with the image data, and Fourier transform when we deal with the audio processing, and linear algebra and statistical operations like mean, median, mode, and many more some operations on Numpy. So our next question is, why I need to learn Numpy? Why I should learn Numpy? So why should learn Numpy? It is the most important module for scientific computing with Python. Numpy provides us the support of highly optimized multi-dimensional arrays, which are the most basic data structure of most machine learning algorithm. When we do machine learning, we will import a data set from either sources, and we will read those data with the pandas data frame, and then we convert those string data and manipulation are converted into a numeric data, and then we will convert them. Both pandas data frame will be converted into a Numpy array, and then we give the Numpy array to the for training into the machine learning model or deep learning model. So in image processing and training images also, we will convert those images into n-dimensional arrays. So it will be very helpful us to know Numpy. So this will help us to manipulate those images, and in order to find number of other techniques on images like erosion, dilation. So these are all the techniques where we will perform on images in order to train the deep learning model. So it will help us know. So when we train images for OCR, so those kind of things, these Numpy arrays helps us to manipulate those data. So why Numpy's data structure perform better in size when the Numpy array is compared with the Python list. So it gives us the better performance than list, and its size is also takes less space, and we can directly download it to our local file as .npz file. So our Numpy array can be downloaded into .npz file other than list. So functionality wise, SciPy and Numpy have optimized functions such as linear algebra operation built in. So this is for Numpy introduction. So hope you love this video. Let's continue with this playlist. It will take rather than it contains more than for 50 plus video for Numpy. So I will take care of that. So kindly do, if you want to know about this Numpy tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel, and it will allow you to follow my videos, and whenever I put videos you will get a notification on your device. So please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.